Hi, my name's Lauren and I'm a consultant here at Rotive, an official Salesforce partner that helps small businesses automate their processes. Today I'm going to show you how to create a growth report in Salesforce. So this report in particular is going to report revenue growth quarter over quarter, but you can also do it year over year, month over month, etc. So first we're going to go to our Reports tab and then click on New Report. The report type that we're going to use is Opportunities. I'm going to clean up some stuff on the side, but you can keep any, fields that you feel are relevant to your report. All right, and then we're going to group rows by close date, and then group date by, again, we're going to do quarter over quarter, so we would select calendar quarter here, but if you wanted year over year, you can do calendar year, month over month, week over week. You get the picture, but we're going to do quarter over quarter growth. I like to summarize the amount, but you don't have to do that. And then over here, we are going to add a summary formula. We're going to call this column growth. We want it to be a %. I want it to be a whole number, so we'll do that. And then I'm going to paste in a formula that I got from Salesforce documentation, and I will include it in the description below this video. So that's where you can grab that. When you click validate, you're going to get this little error message. You must select a grouping context to use any report summary function. All you have to do is go over to display. Where should this formula be applied? Specific groups, close date, perfect, and then hit apply. And so you don't see anything in the growth column yet. This is just because it's previewing a limited number of records. You'll have to run the report to see everything. But before we do that, we want to go over to our filters, make sure they're all good. So show me all opportunities, great. Close date, I want to do the current and previous calendar year. You can do all time. You can set whatever date range you want. Opportunity status. So this is going to report on revenue, quarter over quarter growth. So we want only closed won opportunities. And everything else looks good. So we are going to hit run. And then you'll see right here again, no growth. That's because we only looked back 2 calendar years. So starting with Q1 of 2020, there's no information before that. So you're not going to see a growth. This is the starting point. But as you continue down further, you'll see, so from Q1 to Q2, there was 144% growth. Awesome. From Q2 to Q3, 39% growth. Also awesome. Q3 to Q4, not so much, but you get the picture and you get the point. You can also add a chart if you want a visual representation, quarter over quarter. Again, you can do this year over year, month over month, but that's basically it. So that is how we calculate quarter over quarter revenue growth in Salesforce. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like. If you would like more content about Salesforce reports and Salesforce in general, please hit subscribe. And if you would like help automating your processes, please reach out to us by emailing hey@rotive.io. Have a great day.